contains duplicate. Given an array of nouns, return true if a value appears at least twice in the array, and return false in every element is distinct. So we are given an array of numbers. We have to check one thing, those any number comes again in the array. If a number comes again, so the answer is true. If no number come again, so the answer is false. So the answer is false. So example, so the example we have this. For example, 1 2 3 1. Here the 1 comes again, so the answer is true. Okay, 1 come again, so the answer is true. So next, 4 7 10. Here all numbers comes only once, all numbers are unique, so the answer is false. This 5 5 2 3, the number 5 comes again, so the answer is true. Okay, so the in brute force, how can we solve in brute force? See example, we have these numbers. In brute force, compare each number with all others. For example, compare 1 with 2, compare 1 with 3, compare 1 with 1. So then here we found a duplicate, but this is slow. Its time complexity is big of n square. So for this, we're going to use a map. We count how many times each number appears using a map. While looping the movement, a number appears a second time, we stop and return true. So let's do. Imagine we have these numbers 4 2 4 7. So we create a map. This is a map. First number is 4. Map says its count is 1. So this is a map. 4 count is 1. Next is 2. 2's count is 1. And next is 4 again. Now count become 2. We immediately return true. Okay, another example, 9 8 7. 9's come one time, 8 comes one time, 7 comes one time. So here we are going to return false. Now let's take another example. If 1 2 3 1. Now map is empty. This is a map. Map is empty. Take the first number, map become 1. Okay, take the next number, now map become, take the next number 3, and map will become like this. Next, take next number, 1 comes again, now count become 2. So we return true. We stop here because we already found a duplicate. Now let's write down the code. Map will store numbers and how many times it comes. Now for go through each numbers. Increase count of that number if q of num is greater than 1. If the number comes again, duplicate found, so return true. Okay, else return false. So this line check has this number comes again. If the count become more than 1, that means the number comes again, so we are going to return true. So the time complexity is big O of n, and space complexity is big O of n. Because we go through each number one time, because we store every unique numbers in the map.